My name is JT Bailey. I'm the Probe Repair Manager here with Avante Health Solutions. We have been repairing probes here for going on 16 years. Over the course of a year, we repair approximately 2,200 customer probes. That's not including our internal probes that we repair to stock. That would add an additional 2,000 plus to that original number. The typical probe repair process consists of an initial inspection, a supervisor review, a quoting period. It will then be placed on hold as we await approval from the customer. Once we receive approval, the probe will then be placed into repair, will be followed by a second sign-off, and then concluded with final QC testing. In final QC testing, there's a few different things that we do. The first being electrical safety testing, followed by acoustic and electrical integrity testing via our TC3 stations, and will then be concluded with live scanning on one of our fully functional test beds. Our average turn time is 7 to 10 business days. We are also working on some creative programs to continue to drive that time down further.